threads, I think. So don't worry
Yes.
about threads and those things. Again, a separate
Okay.
topic is there by name threads. Then we can understand more than this.
Okay.
But here in the inner class concept, especially anonymous inner class, we are having that internal issues about thread and those things, like extending a thread class and implementing runnable interface. See, there is a concept by name thread, as I told earlier. So
Yes.
it is a predefined class. You believe that thread itself is a predefined class, and so many internal
Okay.
issues are there. Later on, I will speak about those things. You just
Mm-hmm.
remember that thread is a predefined class. Okay.
Okay.
And it will be having, whenever we talk about a class, it will be having so many predefined methods also. So thread
Mm-hmm.
being a predefined class, it will be having so many predefined methods. And for example, yesterday I have used one method by name run. Hmm?
Right.
Run is also a predefined method. How do you start run method? How do you invoke run method? By,
Start.
yes, that is an interview question. So, and of course, start is also a predefined method, but it won't be having any separate code. Automatically, run code will be executed whenever we call start method. So, if you want to
Okay.
invoke or call run method by calling start method, it is possible simply. Okay.
Okay.
So, just like a thread class, thread is a class I told earlier. Just like this, you are
Right.
having an interface. And what is an interface, I will discuss later on. Don't worry. During we are very close to those concepts. Within a week,
Okay.
within a week span, you are going to learn these things like abstract class, interfaces concept, packages. These things are the next incoming pictures. These are all, you can believe,
Okay.
like interfaces, abstract classes followed with interfaces, and then packages. Once I cover these three concepts, matter of 1 week, so then you'll be having some awareness regarding interface also. Okay, till then just believe that interface is also like a class, but some differences are there. I don't want to talk about those differences now. Okay,
Okay.
so generally classes can be extended, isn't it? I'm telling
Yes.
that the thread is a class. So classes can be whichever information is required at this stage, that only I will give. Later on, I will give more information.
Sure.
Classes can be extended. Okay. I'm telling that runnable is an interface, predefined interfaces. You can also create your own interface, but I'm telling that runnable is a predefined, predefined predefined interface. Little differences are there between class and interface. Let us not go into those areas now,
Okay.
because ourselves to understand about this concept of anonymous inner classes, I introduced these concepts, but we are not exploring deep into them right now. Okay.
Okay.
So interfaces, the only difference between interfaces and classes is this thing. See, interfaces cannot be extended, can be implemented. Interfaces can be implemented.
Okay.
So during inheritance, which keyword you are using for extending a class? There is one keyword.
Extends.
Yeah, extends is the keyword. With the help of that, you can establish relation with another class.
Right.
In a similar way, if you are dealing with interface, we have to use the keyword implements. Slight difference. Okay.
Okay.
And still, if you want to explore, this is not the right time. We will go soon in the coming week.
Okay.
Now, so yesterday I have done couple of examples on thread class. One, a
Right.
normal program, and another one, an anonymous inner class using thread. Okay.
Yes.
Today we are going to explore on interface. In place of class, I am going to use runnable. I told now yesterday some methods are there in this. Yesterday I have introduced only two methods, but so many other methods are there. Later on I will introduce during threads concept. But yesterday what I have introduced, public void run
Run.
introduced. I mean to say, simply to say run method I introduced, and of course start also I introduced. Start also I introduced. These two couple of methods I introduced on yesterday, and these are predefined, present in thread class as well as runnable interface. That is the keyword.
Okay.
They are present in both thread class as well as
Runnable
runnable interface. That's right.
interface.
So if you want to effectively use features of a run or start method, either you have to extend the thread class or you have to implement runnable interface. Two options
Okay.
are there. Two options are there. Just like if somebody wants to purchase some groceries,
Mm-hmm.
couple of departmental stores are there nearby. Left hand side one departmental store is there, right hand side at another one is there. You can go to any of those shops, isn't it?
Yes.
Things are available in both the shops. Same grocery is available, same branded name, same brand name is available, is it not? Makes no difference,
Yes.
obviously, but slight variations will be there in the cost price maybe, isn't it?
Okay.
That's the little difference which we can see. So here also same story. So both these products, both these methods are available in both thread class as well as runnable interface. But which is required, it depends upon the circumstances which we will come across during threads concept. Okay,
Sure.
fine. Now let us deal with runnable. Runnable can be also established as an anonymous inner class like this. See what I am doing. Yesterday I have gone through with thread. Today I am trying to do with runnable. That is the only difference. Runnable, yes. Within that I will write some code. This is the inner class, as you know, and I'm just closing here like this. See, is this looking like inner class code or not? So curly
Except
brace,
for the curly.
curly brace opening and closing, it means it looks like a class, isn't it?
Yes.
We are creating a child class, but there is no name for that, isn't it?
Okay.
And of course you
How
also
about
can
parenthesis for this?
here they are present, no? See, here opening brace, closing brace, semicolon is there. New runnable, this one you are asking. Okay, this one you are asking.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, so let us examine an application so that you can understand on this. Let us
Okay.
right away move to the application here in Notepad, in Eclipse. This program, this is a normal program, means there is no anonymous inner class in this program. You can see this normal program.
Yes.
See, this is my own class. It is my own class. My runnable is a user defined class. This is a class that is implementing which interface?
Runnable.
Runnable interface. Yesterday what I have done, class my thread extends
Right.
thread.
Thread.
Thread is a predefined. In place of thread, what came today? Runnable came.
Runnable.
In place of
Yes.
extends, which keyword came today?
Implements.
Implements. So these are the minor differences, minor adjustments which we have. Okay.
Okay.
So user defined class, it is up to us. We can write any name. Yesterday I might have gone with my thread. Today I'm going with my runnable. That is a difference. Both are user defined. That is up to us. We can name anything. Other than that, keyword difference is there. Yesterday extends I used, today implements I am using. Yesterday,
Right.
because why I used extends? Because I am extending a class. Thread is a class. That's why we have to use extends only. And runnable is an interface. That is why I am using the keyword
Yes.
implements. So inside that same code, no difference. Yesterday also I have given same code. Thread execution. This is all getting executed by the thread when we call start method. And let us see the other class. This is another user defined class. In that main method is there. We are creating a runnable object here. Runnable, sorry, yeah, wait, yeah. My runnable is my own class, na? Yes, I am creating an object R. An object R is created here. Next step, what I am doing, see, have a close look here. R is passed as an argument to, because my runnable cannot
Yeah.
execute run method, isn't it? My runnable cannot
Okay.
execute run method.
Yes.
It is my own class and I created object, that's all. But that's why what I have done, R is passed as an argument to thread class, because thread can
Okay.
start. Who can start run method? Thread can start. My own class cannot start. That's why what I have
Okay.
done, I created object for my own class. My runnable is my own class, user defined class. I created an object for that. Later on, I passed that object as an argument to thread. See, if you see this code, what can you believe? I told in the past also, one important point I told. I will put these things side by side. You can see what I am doing here. Just by this statement I am talking about. This statement. Okay. You should know the internal issues. Yeah. So if you see such a code, what can you believe? Whenever an object is created, you believe a constructor is there or not? A constructor is called or not, invoked or not?
Yes.
Yeah. So there may be some code like this. We can believe, we can trust some code like this, class thread. In that, a constructor is there. It's a parameterized, like something is there, some argument, some parameter you write there, and inside that some code will be there. We have to believe all this code. It is not our job. JavaScript people have done that whole lot of code. Okay. So
Okay.
for this inside main method, what we are doing, we are just creating an object like this. Thread t means what? R is passed to constructor or not? Parameterized constructor
Yes.
or not? Yes, R is passed here. So internal code, what could be the internal code? That that R, on R you can apply start method. See what I am doing here. T dot start. With the help of that object T dot start, you are able to start so many operations you can perform. This code we are not bothered with. This is not our job. It is predefined. What all we are required as a programmer, this job is left to us. This particular job is left to us. What is that job? Creating an object for thread class.
Right.
Automatically, the remaining thing, it being a
Okay.
predefined class, it will do by itself. So that's why, because R cannot do anything. R is after all my own object, my runnable class object. It cannot do all these operations. It is not a predefined one. Na? My runnable is not a predefined. So it cannot contact with the start method. It cannot start execution of this run method. So thread
Right.
is much effective. That's why I created object for thread class and passed that R, so that with the help of T. Now T consists of R combination also, is it not?
Right.
T
Yes.
holds R also. So now T dot start. So child thread getting started. Child thread. T dot start means this is all child thread code.
Yes.
Is it not? Child thread code. This is all. So run method will get started. So child thread will be printed how many times? 0 to less than 10 means 9. 0 to 9 means 10
9.
times. 10 times child thread will be printed. But in the meantime, main thread is also there. Na? The below code. This
Yeah.
code is all about main thread execution. Main thread execution. This is main thread execution. This is all. And what about main thread execution? This is all. And what about this code? This is all child thread execution. This code is all about child thread execution. Child thread execution. So how to execute child thread? By calling start method. Yes, I have done. I have done that. T dot start. So control from here, because child thread is calling. T means what? T means
Yes.
what? Inside T, R is there. R is what? Child class, or I mean child thread or not?
Yes.
Yes. So R is passed and T dot start, you are invoking run method and this part will be executed. Simon, yesterday I told na, it is like a race. So when
Right.
first child thread is printed, this is also getting started. Main also getting started. We don't know which is getting printed first. Okay.
Yes.
So let us see the code.
Okay.
Your threads concept will become much easier, because I did talk earlier about these things, but so many other issues will be also there. We will come across there only. See, different times we will get different outputs, as I told on yesterday. See,
Right.
but every time main is started first, it seems, because you are inside this, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
You tried this code on yesterday. This kind of, I mean, maybe I explained about threads on yesterday, not on runnable.
I tried that, but somehow it didn't run on my
My
Eclipse. I
why
don't know. It
same
is
program?
creating some other same program I ran.
Because just 1 hour before, I think I sent notes to you, but you have
Yes,
taken
I
picture
even
yesterday.
copy pasted your code. Yes, I
Uh-huh.
first tried myself,
Uh-huh.
and then after you sent the notes, I copy pasted it, but still it was failing.
Where it is failing, can you share? Otherwise, we will check.
Sure. Yeah, one second.
Hmm. Otherwise, you name
It is
that
saying
program. I will open that program. Programs are present here itself. Just names are different. That's it.
right.
Which
It
program?
is the second one.
Inner demo.
Not in
Which one? Which one? Yesterday, which program? Thread demo. Thread demo or
thread
thread
demo.
demo?
Thread
Thread
demo
demo.
one.
Okay. Thread demo is here. Here it is. Here it is. It is coming. Wait. Yeah. This is the program.
Yeah.
Just
So
cross
if
check.
I type in yes,
Just cross check. Any problem with your application? Class my
sure.
thread extends thread. Just cross check. You can understand where you committed a mistake. And of course, I have added comments later on, I think.
Yeah.
That's why I have taken some time to add these comments and these things.
Hmm.
Tons of concentration is required when we are doing all these things.
Right. Yes.
That's why even at times I am not hurried to send you notes. Some quality, if quality is
Yeah.
required, we have to wait for that. Yesterday I thought of doing that, but some other classes are there in between half an hour. I cannot do this. That's why I have taken my time in getting that notes.
It is all the same actually.
You just pass to me. Otherwise, I will check. I will check.
Sure.
I will accept it. I have to stop sharing, I think, for that matter.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, I stopped sharing.
It is saying host disabled attendee screen sharing.
Oh, sorry. I have to do something here. I have to accept now. Multiple participants.
Hmm.
One participant can share at a time. Multiple participants. I have to click. Yes. Now it will act. Now you can request, I think.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one, this is when I added this t dot
You are here.
start.
Why you have
This
written
is
private void
automatically.
start? Private void
Yeah,
start.
it is automatically coming.
No. You have to delete that.
Yeah.
Uh, this is not required.
Even after I
Package thread,
deleted
that
it.
is not required. Public class thread, that you can delete, not required. Public class thread. Thread is a predefined. You cannot. You have to change the name. See, for instance, yesterday what I have done. Thread class we cannot create. It is a predefined one. Na? You just change the name. Thread demo you can write. Thread demo or
Okay.
any other name. Thread is a predefined. I told na. Predefined. How can we
Yeah.
write? We cannot do that. Predefined means it is defined already.
Okay. Okay. So
You
that's
cannot.
the error then.
That is
Okay.
that is a code
Okay.
being
Okay.
done by
Okay.
James Gosling and his associates. We should
Okay.
not interfere in that.
Sure.
It won't help.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah,
Because all this code came
yeah.
after I did that
Ready-made
error.
dress we never open na, for stitching.
Yeah.
We have to use it, ante. That's all. We have to use it. We should not stitch that.
Okay. Yeah.
Now
So
this
that's
is
the
user defined. You can stitch accordingly. This is user defined. You can
right.
stitch in whichever way you want. That's it.
Hmm.
Yes.
But
Now,
in my
now you execute this.
Eclipse,
Is it getting?
no, I have to add package in my Eclipse.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put that code otherwise.
I'll
Eclipse is not. I mean, this is Eclipse only, na?
yes,
Java will
yes, it
run.
is.
Java code will run normally.
I don't know, this Eclipse, it is a little different.
Mm-hmm.
And I have checked it and it is the latest version.
This is the latest. And
Yeah,
then
for
it should
MacBook,
accept
I think it's different.
simple Java applications. Are you able to run here in this Eclipse?
Yes, yes,
Then why
yes.
this
I
is
can
not,
run all the.
why this is not working then?
I don't know. That's. Uh,
What kind of problem it is saying if you run this?
it is saying the declared package does not match the expected package thread. Or I'll do in this. I have to first create a package like this.
That you can do.
Uh,
Yeah. You can create a
I
package and
think
put it there. You can create a package. You know how to create a package, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, you can just create one package. What is there? Threads
Don't.
programs. Otherwise, you can write inner
And
class.
then
I
I'm
mean,
just
inner
doing.
class. Not the package. Project. You go with project. Not
Yeah.
package. Project. You can try with project. No, not class even. Directly you are putting some class somewhere. But better you go with a project, and inside project you write as many classes as you want.
Okay.
If, come to other also is there, other or Java project will be there. Somewhere Java project will be there. You just
Yes, it's
search that
here.
Java project. Yeah, that click that one. What will happen?
Project name.
Where that dialog box is not coming to type something in this
It's
Eclipse.
here.
Where is that? Where is that name? Where you have to type that name? Project name should
Project name.
be. Wait. Where it is? File.
Oh, I think you are not able to see it, but I can see a dialog box. Create a project. Enter a project
Give
name.
some name. Give some name. Inner class. You can give inner class.
Yes, I did that. So that is how thread demo is
The thread
created,
demo you
new
have given.
project.
Project name is thread demo.
Yes.
You have given. Okay, fine.
Yes. So
Inside
if
that
I now try to add a class,
class, yes, some dialog box came.
Yes.
In that you please
So
type the required name of the
I'm giving it as thread demo.
give it. But thread demo already you have given project name, and this coincidence will be there. Okay, it's accepted.
Okay.
T capital letter is there. Okay, fine, it is accepted. But you have to change here also thread demo. You just copy and paste that code, whichever you have done.
Yes.
So this is the code. What I have to change here in this public class thread demo. Okay. Braces and all these things, please check. This is a normal application. No, this is
Yes.
I mean to say anonymous inner class. You have
Anonymous,
okay,
yes.
I cannot see
Oh,
semicolon.
now it is.
Now it is running. Yeah, it is running.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
running.
So that was my mistake.
Some simple
Yeah.
technical issue, I think.
Sure.
I mean
Okay,
navigation
yeah.
step, not technical, navigation step. Just a
Yeah.
matter of navigation steps. That's it. Nothing other than that. It should run. Yeah. Now you got your problem solved. Just
That's why
remember
I was
how to
waiting.
create
I
a
wanted to ask you
create
this
a
one.
project and how to
Okay.
create classes. You please remember that how to
Sure.
create class and this.
Yes.
Yes. No,
Yeah.
it's getting fine.
Okay.
Running now? Yeah, you can. Now I can take my desktop back. Yes. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. So this program is over. Done.
Yes.
Or any doubt? There is no anonymous inner class in this program.
Right.
So not this program. What is that? Today's one. What is that?
Runnable demo
Runnable
Java.
demo. Yeah, exactly. So there is nothing in this. Now let us move one step ahead. Let us move to the next application. Now you can see in this application, yes, runnable demo one inside main method is there. Here. This is what I have given in Notepad. You please try with this Notepad comparison. I missed this brackets earlier. In your notes also I missed it, I think.
Okay.
Runnable R is equal to
I'll
new
change.
runnable. Runnable R is equal to new runnable. Okay. Yeah. Remaining code, see, same code, na? But see, here also same code, here also same, nothing else. Only difference is, see what I have done. a class inside another class, but it is not having its names. So new runnable is an object being created for your anonymous class, isn't it? New runnable is an object created for your anonymous class. Yes or no? Hello?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you now, sir.
Just connection lost, I think, in between.
Okay.
So the difference here is,
Screen is not shared.
I'll share it. Now you can see, I think.
Yes.
The difference is that, see, here, here the difference lies. There is no semicolon, and I opened with curly brace. Yes.
Right.
So
Yes.
obviously you can feel that some anonymous inner class is
Anonymous.
lies.
Yes.
Some anonymous inner class is there inside. Yes. Now, what is this new runnable? It is an object created for what? For the anonymous class, anonymous inner class. So whichever anonymous inner class code is there, this is all the current anonymous inner class code present, isn't it? So this is the
Yes.
code available to you. And of course, here I closed that. With a semicolon, we have to close now, I told,
Yes.
right? So this is all the anonymous inner class code which you had. And it is all present in the outer class runnable demo 1. Yes, this is the outer class clearly. This is the outer class. Wait. This is the outer class. Yes. And here is your anonymous inner class code running. This is your anonymous inner class code. This is your anonymous inner class code running. And what about this new runnable? New runnable is an object created for your anonymous inner class. Okay. And it is
Okay.
referred by not a class reference, but interface reference. Runnable is,
Okay.
runnable is an interface. I told earlier now.
Yes.
Thread is a class and runnable is an interface. Whatever features are there associated with the thread, they are all associated with the runnable also. This is also available.
Okay.
But in some cases, in some rare cases, we use runnable than thread, or sometimes we
Okay.
use thread instead of runnable. It depends upon situations. Just like bus and train, two options are there for going on the on road or rail, whatever it is. So here also a couple of options are available. Both, I mean, same methods are there, whatever we are using, but little differences I will explain during threads class. Leave it.
Okay.
Now runnable is an interface. For an interface, you cannot create object. Please remember. In again interfaces, I will
Sure.
discuss about that. For classes, you can create object, but for interfaces, you
Okay.
cannot create object. You can create only reference for interfaces. You can create only
Okay.
references for interface. We cannot create object to an interface. And R simply is the reference for the interface runnable. Okay, this R is there now. This is
Yes.
the reference created for runnable
Runnable.
runnable interface. And that is referring
Okay.
to what? It is referring to an object. Which object?
Yes.
Anonymous
Runnable.
class, anonymous class object. It is not runnable
Yes.
object. It is not runnable object.
Yeah.
It is anonymous inner class object.
Okay.
Okay. So anonymous inner
Okay.
class object is referred by the runnable interface reference R. Okay. Otherwise, I will make a point. Anonymous inner class code. This is all, of course. And here, in fact, here, what is done? Anonymous inner class object, that is within bracket I will write what is that? Runnable new runnable is the object, but it is not having any name. The class has no name, no, that is why it is called as
Yes.
anonymous inner class. So anonymous inner class object is referred by is referred by what? Runnable
uh,
interface reference. Runnable
interface reference.
interface reference. Reference within bracket R. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. That's what happened here. So, so from main method program starts getting executed, and what is the super class for your anonymous class? Runnable interface is there. No class. Runnable interface is there in this program.
Okay.
Now run method is there. So somewhere here you have created thread object T and you passed that reference R. R is passed so that T dot start. So start will get here. Child thread will be executed, and whichever code after T dot start is there, this will be executed by main thread will execute. Main
Okay.
will execute the below code. Below code will be executed by main thread. And T dot start means which code will be executed?
Run.
Child thread code will be
Okay. Okay.
executed. Child thread, child thread code will be executed. So what is the child thread's job? Running this code. This is the child
Right.
thread code's job. This is all the job of the child thread present inside the anonymous inner class. Okay, that's how it is executed.
Okay.
You understood this? See the trick here.
Yes.
We are missing semicolon. In place of semicolon, it is replaced by brace.
Right.
And obviously, anonymous inner class is lying inside. Now let us run this. Yeah, it will run. It will run fine. Now see next application. This is double demo. Which one number I put here? Let's close the threads there. Runnable demo 1 is over now. Now let us go with the runnable demo 2. One more is there.
Okay.
In this program, runnable demo 2. Now this is a tricky application. We should not use this kind of code. Very difficult to understand, but
Okay.
we can still do this. See here, some class is there, user defined, main method is there. If you have a close look, what I have done is, as an argument I passed new thread argument. This new runnable is there na? Is that passed as an argument or not? Inside
Yeah.
thread brackets, we are inside the bracket. See, this bracket is opened here. Yes, you can see this bracket,
Right.
opening bracket of thread. So whatever arguments I want to write, I can write like this. So argument is started here. Where it is closed, you know, here it is closed. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see? Here
Yes.
its closing is there. Inside that much area is there where you can put whole lot of code inside. So this is the code which we are putting. So you have started your argument here, and as argument, what we have done? See, new runnable. Again, it is not. I mean, semicolon is not kept. If an
Right.
opening flower brace is kept, means what? An anonymous inner class is lying inside. So an anonymous inner class, not only inside a class you can put, but as an argument also you can put, isn't it?
Okay.
So an
Yes.
anonymous inner class as an argument we are passing in this application. Okay, we are not leaving
Okay.
anything, that also we are covering. So as an argument also, an anonymous, clearly this is an anonymous inner class which is present as an argument of new thread. Yes, so inside some run method is there, it is executed, and here see, generally T dot start I write, but there is no T, nothing. Why? Because you are inside thread class, isn't it? So
Yes.
again, I told now, if somebody is there in the Bangalore city, again you need not ask from where you came, isn't it?
Right.
Direct call
Yes.
is enough. Direct hi, how are you is enough. So here also what I have done, yes, dot start. Automatically it will start. You are inside that only. Everything is inside same class.
Okay.
Okay. So directly run method will be executed and the child thread will be printed. And outside main thread code is executed as usual. Okay,
Okay.
will also run same result, but the only difference is what? As an argument, we passed
Inner
anonymous
class.
inner
Yes.
class as an argument. Otherwise, I will write here as an argument. As an argument, we passed. We passed as an argument. We passed
Anonymous
anonymous
inner class.
class. Yes. I think this inner class concept is the toughest. What I believe is still now.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, not toughest, but so many internal issues are there. Bit practice is required for all these things. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So many
Sure.
variations. See how much big it is coming. So many variations are there
Yeah.
in issues. So in real time, we can implement based on the things. Still, I will explore. Wait, runnable 2 is over now. Now
Yes.
I will introduce some differences between with this. I mean, this anonymous inner class. Just a minute, a call is coming.
Sure.
So now I will explain some differences between inner class, I mean normal inner class and anonymous inner class. Some differences are
Okay.
there. So let me project on differences. Till now, whatever we have learned, I just want to differentiate one with the other one. So
Okay.
normal class versus anonymous inner class. Normal class, normal Java class. I mean to say, normal class means normal. There is no inner, nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Normal class versus anonymous class, because anonymous is very important. That's why I'm focusing more on that. Anonymous inner class. So what is the difference? So there are so many differences, but mainly there are three differences. Actually, 4 to 5 or 4 are there, but mainly three differences
Okay.
are there. Those three first I will put. So a normal class can extend, see, as far as normal class is concerned, you can extend only one class. I told earlier in inheritance concept, I told you can
Mm-hmm.
extend only one class, only one class. Because I told how many types of inheritances are there? Single and
Multiple.
single means simple inheritance, and multi-level, no multiple, multi-level. I told na inheritance. Forgot?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Two types of
Yeah.
inheritances are
No.
available
No.
in
No.
Java. They are simple inheritance, multi-level inheritance. No
Multi-level.
multiple,
Okay.
no multiple, no hierarchical, no hybrid. These
Yes.
all
That is C.
these are all
Yeah.
failure stories in C++, isn't it? So only two
Yes.
types of inheritances are there. In both the cases, you just recollect your inheritances concept. So how I have designed, if I want to go with a simple inheritance, how I would have done class A extends
B.
B, isn't it? Means some
Yes.
class ahead is there, like A is there earlier.
Class B.
Some code will be there internally. So next class, this is the way to design, isn't it?
Class B extends A.
Sorry, yeah, class B extends,
Yeah.
yes, sorry, fine, good. Class B extends A, fine, that's correct. Now, this is simple inheritance, you know pretty well about this. And what about
Yes.
multi-level inheritance? The only difference is, sorry, the only difference is I write something like this, class B extends
A.
A, and then what I'm going to do, again I'm going to go with at another class C.
C extends B.
Yeah, exactly. See, how many classes I am extending in every step? Tell me, maximum
One.
one, only one. Here only one. See,
Yes.
here how many? Only one. Here how many?
Right.
Here how many? One. Here how many?
One.
Have I ever written more than one?
No.
No, it is not possible. So normal class can extend only one class,
One.
fundamental. That is
Okay.
fundamental at a time. I'm telling. But what about anonymous inner class? Same story. See, I never nested. Maybe two anonymous inner classes may be there, but not one inside another. Isn't it?
Right.
Yesterday I think we have done, yesterday, day before yesterday, I not remember, we have done. So I never nested anonymous inner class, yesterday only we have done. I never nested, but multiple are there in the same outer class, but one is not nested in the other one.
Right.
Three objects here itself, program is also there. I think you still remember that, I believe. What is that?
Yes, yes.
What is the program name? Demo, I think demo is. Let us see. Yeah, here, see how many anonymous inner classes are there in this program. You can see
Ooh.
two are there, but both are not nested, independently
Right.
present. Yes, because one time semicolon is closed here because of one anonymous inner class. At another time, one more time semicolon is
Yeah.
closed here. I mean, semicolon is kept here, kept at the second time, because
Yes.
two anonymous inner classes are there. That's why it
Right.
happened. But I never nested. So here also same story. So as far as anonymous inner class is concerned, anonymous inner class is concerned, it can extend only one class, isn't it?
Yes.
Multiple classes it cannot extend. Both the cases here in this program I'm talking. See, car
Right.
only, car is the only class which it is going to extend. Here also same story.
Right.
Both the times it is extending car, but the reference is different. After all, reference. One time C, the other time C2. C and C2. C1 is different. C and C2.
Right.
So two anonymous inner classes and two references for the same superclass, that is car. So
Right.
anonymous inner class here also extend how many classes? Only one. Only one class it can extend. So because in interview somebody may ask you what are the differences between normal class and anonymous inner class, you should be able to tell this one. Okay, this is the first point. So no difference between them as far as first point is concerned. Let us move with the second point this time. This is first point. Let us move with the second point. So a normal class can implement any number of interfaces. I will tell you during interfaces this concept. A normal class, as far as normal class is concerned, normal class, you can implement. Today I introduced that interface concept also, na, little bit of interface concept I introduced, na, not knowing many facts
Right.
behind that. Yeah. So normal class, if you are dealing with normal class, it can implement multiple interfaces. Implement
Okay.
multiple interfaces means how the code looks, see, it looks something like this. Class A implements B comma C comma D comma like this, and number of things it can implement, and number of
Okay.
interfaces it can implement like this. Okay, that is about this.
Okay.
Now let us come back to our anonymous inner class. Let me copy this instead of typing every time. Okay, yes. What about this? No chance. Only one interface it can implement. It can implement only one
One
interface.
enter.
One. No chance of second. That is the difference. Difference is there, na? You got difference?
Yes.
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 Yes, you got the difference. Now let us move to the next categorical division. See, again normal class. Let us come back to normal class. Now the third one. A normal class can extend a class and can implement any number of interfaces. Means what? See, I will write code also. Wait. It can extend one class, but or and both things it can do at the same time, and implement multiple interfaces at the same time. Multiple interfaces simultaneously. Otherwise, I use the word simultaneously. Fine. Got it?
Okay.
Means how
Yes.
the code looks. How the code looks. You have to tell class A extends B, comma, implements,
Okay.
implements, yes, C, comma, D, comma, E up to n number. Okay,
Okay.
difference. So this is
Yes.
the difference. But let us come back to, I mean, interface this time. Third difference, but point number one. Now, point number two. So what about anonymous inner class? What about anonymous inner class? It can
Mm.
extend one class or can
Right.
implement one interface. Any one only it
One.
can do. It can extend. Till
Okay.
now we have done. I never nested or I
Yes.
never clubbed so many things. Na? It can extend one class. Only one. Or, or.
Yes.
Oblique means or. Any one can happen, not both. Oblique means or only, isn't it? Extend one
Yes.
class or, otherwise I will write or. You can understand clearly. More clarity will be there. Or implement one interface.
One interface.
Always one. No two business in anonymous inner class. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Now, one more important factor is there. If the interviewer is not going to get impressed, he may ask you, yeah, one more difference is there. He may ask you. Normally, they can get satisfied with these 3 points, normal cases, but if he is an experienced one, if he is an expert, he may ask still one more. Yes, you can do. Let us come to normal class again. See, one more thing which we never covered in our programs. Of course, normal class we covered, but anonymous inner class we never covered that concept because it is not possible. So, if a normal class is there, constructor is possible. Constructor is
Mm.
possible or not? Constructor is possible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let us come
Yeah.
to anonymous inner class now. Let us come back to anonymous inner class. Is there any constructor possibility?
No.
Just assume. I never told you because anonymous inner class is not having any name.
Right.
Then how can I write a constructor?
I know. Yes.
I'll become,
Yeah.
I cannot do anything for that, is it not? So
Right.
if you can give some class name, I can create a constructor. If you are unable to give class name, how can I create constructor?
Right.
There lies the problem. Means explicitly again, the interviewer may stress you, no, it is possible. Then clearly tell him that explicitly it is not possible. Explicitly, why I'm using this word? Explicitly, for a programmer, it is not possible. It is not possible. Explicitly means you cannot give that, but implicitly James Gosling might have given that. Who knows?
Right.
Means
Yeah.
indirectly you are telling that explicitly it is not possible. For me it is not possible, but for James Gosling it might have, he might have done that, because every class consists of a constructor. I told na, default
Constructor.
constructor.
Yes.
Obviously anonymous inner class may be also having a constructor. Who knows? Invisible one,
Right.
invisible one, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, that's the point. This is the key point. Last one. If you are going for quality interview, you have to stress this point also. Fourth point also,
Okay.
very important. Okay,
Okay.
so many twists are there na in these constructors
Yeah.
also. Yeah, uh, the thing is that you have to enjoy the classes. Then only when practicing also, whatever I taught in the classes,
Mm.
they will come in your mind, just like reeling in your mind,
Yes.
and your notes will be there, your applications will be there, your developments will be there. If I tell a couple of programs, if you can do, if you can multiply that, then you are in a comfortable zone, is it not?
Yes.
You can
Yes.
easily show upper hand, even you can easily compete with engineering students also, I can tell you.
Right. I was actually talking to some engineering student.
Yeah, yeah,
I could answer him so many of
yeah,
them.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So that's when I realized I can I'm doing better
Yeah,
than them.
that's what I'm telling. I know that's what,
Yeah.
whatever we are doing, I know. And luckily uh, you are proving more than expectations, because I can understand you are, whenever I'm asking, you are able to answer, and you are following,
Mm.
and you are showing patience. With that, See, if you are not interested, you might have left just within 1 week or 2 weeks. Is it not? Oh, this
Yes.
is not
Yeah.
my cup of tea. We can drop, but you have not dropped, isn't it?
Right.
See, many people, I can strongly tell you one point with my experience. I am 40 plus
Mhm.
age, I can tell you. And I can, what I have seen is whenever you give up, I never gave up. As far as Java is concerned, after 16 years also, I never gave up Java. I have
Mm.
so many leaps and bounds, but I never gave up Java. That's why I'm standing still. Even if Python is coming or something else is coming, HTML is coming, other things I can do
Right.
of my own. But
Yes.
see, I never left Java even after 16 years. Still, I am improvising, trying to improvise. Is
Mm.
it not?
Yes.
That is the taste. That is the taste I am feeling in the subject. The just secret is only one thing: never give up.
Right.
If you select one task, never give up.
Right.
That's it. There lies the success.
Actually, that point even I realized.
Yeah, many
After
people.
I started Java, I learned
Yeah,
JavaScript is easier now.
yeah. Do it strongly. That's what I mean to say.
Right.
See, once you learn Java, really you can do anything, any other software you can do of your own.
Right.
But I have never tried testing tools and all these things. But I'm telling
Okay. Yeah.
some, because practically I learned Python of my own, and my C and
Okay.
C++ also improved a lot afterwards.
Okay.
And HTML, JavaScript, these things also. Whenever I look into those areas, I feel them as very comfortable and easy also,
Right.
because this is one platform where you can do miracles, Java.
Right.
And not only this, whichever concept you take, never give up. It will fetch you.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Now let me go to
Yeah.
the next concept, that is nested concepts, nested static nested classes.
Mhm.
Shall I start that concept, or shall you take next day, as you wish? Only one more is there.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Nested inner, static nested. Don't call inner classes. It is not inner actually, but it is part of inner. But we
Okay.
should not call it as inner. In the beginning itself, I am telling static nested classes. Why we should not call it inner, I will tell you
Okay.
in a short while. So sometimes we can declare inner classes in static modifier also. Okay. So just to
Okay.
static keyword for that matter, I will go with a program first of all.
Mhm.
I have done here little application only. Within few minutes it will be over.
Okay.
Waste time in typing program also. It is there. Nested demo. Yeah, I think I have done a couple of programs like this. Only one I have done, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, this is the program. See, this is a program which I
Okay.
have designed. Class nested demo. This is the, I cannot say it as, I cannot call it as an outer class, but
Mhm.
see inside that there is static class nested. Why cannot call as outer class? Because see, if an inner class is there present in an outer class, it is compatible with outer class, and it is following all the guidelines. Is it not? In the past, we have done
Yes.
so many programs in inner classes, maybe anonymous, or maybe method local, or maybe regular inner class, whatever it is. A definite procedure is there. Is it not? And
Right.
whichever data is there in the outer class, it is accepting. The inner class is allowing. Is it not?
Right.
But here, first time, we are putting the keyword, the modifier static, so-called modifier static we are putting here. By doing
Mhm.
so, you are not accepting some data whichever is present in nested demo, because static data will not allow. If I go with a non-static variable here, will it allow
No.
non-static in static context?
No.
It is a problem. So those kind of things are going to arise here. And not only that,
Okay.
here in this program, see, uh, so here nested, an object is created. This is nested. This is nested class. I created object n dot show,
Mhm.
control transfers to show, and this code will be executed. But if main method is present neither in nested class, I mean nested static class, or in outer class nested demo, then is this procedure okay? No, you have to go like this. See, Nest demo
Mm.
dot nested space n is equal to yes or no. So if I
Mm.
put this code, this particular portion, I am just highlighting this particular code. If I put in another class, I will write another class. Wait, Control U, Control C. I will go with another one. Nest demo one. I will go. Wait, I'll show you. Nest demo two. Where is the previous one? Here it is. Let me copy this first. This is not required. Okay, fine. Nest demo 2, na? This one? Yeah.
Yes.
So in this, see what I'm doing. I'm just adding, wait, I'm naming it as nest demo outer, and here I just want to name class nest demo 2, because inside main method it should be there now. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
inside nest demo 2 main method should be there now. Yeah. Now I just want to close that class. So this class is totally closed. Now see, it is pointing mistake. What is that?
Yeah.
How can it recognize? See, now what I am doing, see, replace, solved. Solved or not? Solved,
Yeah.
huh? Problem is solved. That's it. Now we can execute.
Okay.
Now we can execute. Which one? This one. Coming fine.
Yes.
So that is a simple adjustment which you should have. So you can find some difference between this class and the previous program. See, static class is there, but it is not accepting. For example, if I go, you try this as a homework, you can try. You try with
Okay.
static variables, yeah, it will accept. If you go with non-static, will it accept?
No.
You try that one, okay?
Sure.
So that is why I cannot call this as inner class. Inner class
Mm.
means it should accept whatever outer class is saying.
Right.
Is it not? Whatever functionalities are there in outer class, the inner class should accept, should consider them. But here, if I go with some other data like non-static variable, instance variable, it doesn't allow, it is not allowing. That is a problem.
Mm.
That is a problem which we are having. Is it not? That is why we
Right.
cannot call that as static nested inner classes. Never call. Just
Okay.
call them as static nested classes. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
And in the end, in the main method, nest demo, where is that nest demo? Is it nest demo
Wait,
outer
wait, wait, wait,
dot
wait,
nested?
wait. It is not nested demo. Huh? How it came then? Wait. Nested demo 2 na? How it came? Output should not come. It came, but
Yeah.
oh, it accepted previous program is there na? Because that is a problem with the class.
Okay.
See, static classes, how dangerous you see. We are
Right.
believing that as part of this application, we got this output. You pointed out immediately.
Yeah.
See, it is collecting from some other class. That is a danger
Mm.
with static methods or static class. Static is always dangerous. That's why some
Okay.
unwanted duplicacy may arise in your program. Is it not?
Mm. Yes.
That is why static is dangerous. Always, we, as a programmer, we rely on non-static. We have to create an
Okay.
environment and go accordingly. So I have to put here 2, na? Yeah, 2. Here also I have to put you are inside which class? Sorry, not 2. Wait. We have to put as nest demo outer. Nest demo.
Outer. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Nest demo outer. Nest demo outer. Yeah, nest demo. Yeah, it should work. Yes, otherwise
Yes.
I will do one thing. I am just putting one, huh?
Okay.
Not getting previous program. This program output only we want, na? Got it? Now see what I'm
Yes.
doing. I'm removing this again, going with the previous option. What is that?
Okay.
Yeah, now you can
Next
understand.
demo.
Now you can understand. These tricks we should know. In real time also it will be useful to you. Now see. What is that? What is
Yeah,
happening?
this is a previous
Got it?
one.
Our assumption
Yes,
is
yes.
correct, na? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will make a comment here. Previous programs output will be launched there. So what to do here? Nest demo,
Outer.
outer, yes, outer dot. But directly if I do, you cannot get output. See what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do here is directly, what is that? Nested dot. If I write, it is showing error. You have seen, I think, nested
Yes.
dot. What is that? Nested dot. No, nested space. Nested dot, not
Space, yes. Nested n is equal to new
nested
nested.
n is equal to new nested. Yes, yes. If I do like this, so what is going to come? See the errors. See here and here also. Here means what is that? Syntax error, braces and all these things. Here, yes. So what is the solution
Yeah.
for that? Because you are somewhere inside nested demo 2, it cannot recognize where is nested.
Right.
Nested is, after all, it is part of nested demo.
Hmm.
The parent class should come out now. That's why
Yes.
nested, yeah, exactly. Nest demo outer dot dot. Yeah. Here also you have to do the same thing. Nest demo outer
Outer.
dot.
Okay.
Yes. Still mistake. Brace. I forgot brace. I think here. I missed brace. Yeah. Resolve na?
Yes.
Now it will take cut output. Okay, done. Method one you got.
Sure. Yes.
Yes, yes. This one I can write results in previous program output. It's not a desired one, na? Program output, because we used it earlier, isn't it?
Right.
Yes. So with this, shall I close the session today? Little bit,
Sure, sir.
little points are there. I think. Let me check once that nested classes. If any little things leftovers are there, let me explore and explain on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will close.
Sure.
15 minutes. I will close this nested classes. Then I will move to the new
Okay.
concept, interesting concept, that is abstract class. Tomorrow I will start.
Okay.
Yes, almost all inner classes concept 99% completed. Okay,
Okay.
only just 10
Yes.
more minutes I will complete on tomorrow. Then I will move to the next new program. I mean, abstract classes is the concept. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I'm
Okay, sir. Thank you.